do not want a lot of foundation, so I'm just gonna put a little bit because this type of makeup I want to do it very light, very soft. I want to try and do like a sort of Princess Dolly type of makeup and just see how that goes. Is that normal that it burns your eyes? I got this mirror in Cape Town. Isn't she cute? I want to add bows on her because she's gonna look very lovely. As you can see how nice and covered I look. I just like taking my time when it comes to blending, because the more you take time, the more it actually melts onto your skin and the less patchy it will look. I'm just gonna keep blending that. Look at how good we look. I love to go in using my foundation as concealer. It's called Imanov Noble. I realized like editing really wants you to take time. Like literally, I'm filming this today and I might post it. I'm going to post this makeup video Sunday. And there we go, guys. This is just how I love to do my foundation. Just blend that out here. I love to go in with one of my old brushes that I had. Look at her. She's so cute, but just like the pink is literally coming off. They are good brushes, so I like to still keep it and still use it. Ooh, I love this. Just gonna keep blending up the bridge. You see how I'm blending it? Take your time, please, because that's how you get the perfect blend. I love also doing other people's makeup because it's very challenging for me, and I love things that challenge me. Every time I do somebody's makeup, they're always so happy about it. I am really happy about that. Now we're gonna just let this dry out and then we're gonna go to our eyes. I love using this type of brush. I don't know what the name of these brushes are, but I just know this one I like using it for my eyeshadow. This eyeshadow has survived life. I don't even know the name of it anymore. I don't remember. I like to just dab that and then I swap it out. Just like that. I just like to do that. You know, it gives that shade. You see that? Look at the difference. This one, you see? You. Because I know what I'm talking about. And then swipe it out. Because I don't want it to be too dark with me just dabbing it so much. I'm gonna do a very nice light shade first, because I want to still decide whether I want it white or do I want a pink. You know, because I do want to give off princess energy. But I'm just gonna blend that out. As you can see, this is how this brush looks like. So yeah, it's like sort of fluffy, you know. I'm gonna go with my pink. I finally made up my mind. Press on there. That's where I wanted my base first because it helps, because we want that to pop. I'm gonna take back a bit of brown shade back, you know, just to balance it together so nobody is just like fading. Just do the other side too. Let's just blend the concealer. Okay, there you go. Just take your time. It's a mess. But I'll just squint to my eyes and try to get it on my under eye. And then here we go. Just blend it out. Go back at it again if you feel like it's too bright. You see the difference? This looks magnificent. I'm just gonna squint my eye and then just dab, 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 dab. Ooh, girl! Ah! I used to fill up this whole part here at the bottom, but I also learned that that's also the place where I can just add like darker color. After I discovered that, I'm like, yeah, I need to try a new brush So I'm using this thin brush, as you can see here. I'm just gonna use the same light shade that I did as my base, right? See? You'll look crazy when you do this, but trust me, the results are amazing. Look at that. Why do people like to come back into your life when time has passed for such a long time? I know I am an amazing and exceptional creative person, but you had your chance, buddy. Go find something to do. I just love moving on. It's the best feeling in the world. It's like reading a book. You enjoy the book. Oh my god, and you're like, oh my gosh, this book is amazing. Keep reading the book, keep reading the book. Now the book is being weird, like the book doesn't hit the same anymore. But you don't understand how it doesn't hit the same anymore. But you just keep reading the book because you just want to understand why it doesn't hit the same anymore, like it did in the first time. Then you have a reason why it was weird, and now it ended with it just feeling. But the ending is just, it's not what you wanted, and you go ahead and read the book again. Dab the pink on it. Okay. I hope you're seeing how I'm doing this, right? There we go. I'm just gonna connect these two. Blend that out. Just blend them. Okay, I'm gonna clean it up with the white. Take this other thin brush. We're going to use the same color that we used as our base eyeshadow, and we're just gonna brush underneath our Douyin eye just to create that, so you can have more shadow. So I'm gonna go in with this pink eyeliner. I like to look straight ahead like this, and then I just go with the wing of my eye. Right, see? I like to close my eyes and then outline it. Brush. Take your time. Connect it again. Open your eyes. Look at that. Big difference. You know why? Because it makes your eyes look bigger. I'm just gonna look ahead and then draw this. Finish it up. Just take your time. It mustn't be so dark though. And then we're gonna just trace it back. Get your eyes. Fit it in. We don't want it too dark though, because the lighter the better. But let's just, yeah. I'm gonna use my setting powder. The reason why I like to do it, especially after I'm done doing my eyes, because the dark part, I can just cover it up with the banana setting powder. I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna take the excess just to here and here. To just burn these parts here. Just going here by the side and just around here. Big fluffy brush for my setting powder, just to blend it up a bit, Okay. Yeah, I love so far how it looks. It looks so good. And I like to blend this out too. I'm gonna go in with the same shade that I used as my base for my eyeshadow. I'm gonna contour my nose with it. Then I go in with a bit of a darker one. It's like I do have a narrowed nose, and especially if I highlight it, my nose looks more narrow. And then I just love to separate that and just create like a button nose. This is how it's supposed to look effortlessly good. Now we go into the blush, my favorite part. I like to use this eyeshadow palette. I forgot the name. I don't even know where the lid is. And we're gonna just smile. Like, see how you're gonna smile like a dolly? Yes, take your cheeks out and then do this. Yes. Just blend it, blend it, blend it. Put on the nose too. I like to do underneath my jaw too, to bring just some warmth to my face. I like to go in with a darker blush. I'm just gonna use more of the red shade. I like the red shade more because this is already pink, and then imagine now you're adding another dark pink. So we're gonna just add some red. Okay, just squint your eyes as you can, as much as you can, just to block that. I'm gonna take our blush without excess and then just blend that out. That's what we want. You see the difference? This is so cute. I discovered this technique from this other Douyin black content creator. I'll write her name down here. She's amazing. I'm gonna use this fluffy brush, take the white light eyeshadow and just brush it over here. Just do this. You see how cute that is? And then I just like to blend it out with my hands. Do you see the difference? So when I just add that nice white shade for some flavor. Look at that. Difference, big difference. I also found that technique from her and I'm like, what? Girl, I am taking your ways. Teach me. And she is teaching. There's something here. Here. Now we're gonna go to the lip part. These are my 3 secret ingredients for a nice lovely lip combo. So here we go, dab in there. Okay. I've been working out lately and I feel amazing. I feel like it's one of the things, that I needed to do. You know? Work there and there. And here. And then here too. And then here. Like, I don't know how this is gonna turn out at all. Smudge the gloss on the light parts first. But it looks too much, you know? And the gloss just looks too much. It looks too much. So just enough gloss. So like, I'm contemplating, should I add glitter? Like, okay, let me just add. Okay, and then I'm just gonna lightly dab that button nose. You see? Yeah. Just gonna shrink it a little bit, but yeah, I'm gonna just bridge of my nose. Just add that white. Press on it. Let it go. Let it have press on it. Let it go. Let it go. Press on it. Let it go. Press on it. Let it go. Press on it. Let it sparkle, sparkle. Let's put glitter so it can shine, baby. Ooh la la. And just swipe along the way. Yeah. Yes. Okay, this is working because it's not even messy. I'm gonna take this brown powder and just powder it on top, because we don't want our brows to be too bright, because we don't want them to be the star of the show. I don't want them to be the star of the show, so I'm just gonna lighten them up with some brown powder. And I'm gonna just squint my eyes and just look for the lashes that I have at the bottom. So let's just fix up the hair.